2023 Honda Civic Hatchback Concept, New Model Interior. The 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback will perhaps roll out by the middle of the year and will also be obtainable in the currently offered 5 various cut designs. The 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback will receive an up-to-date feature checklist plus a more advanced safety package. These characteristics will probably be up to date on the formal declaration. The 2022 Honda Civic may also appear sensibly designed with features and is an important option amongst hatchback clients who assume a great deal a lot more for a less expensive selling price. The Civic Hatchback happens to be a valuable vehicle that gets the best in school safety and impressive street manners. 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback New Model Interior. A teaser of the 2022 Civic's interior reflects a significant remodeling, particularly the middle gaming console and the dash. The interior now capabilities an optimistic and luxurious design approach. The honeycomb design, which perfectly conceals the AC vents and works through the dash, is truly a vision-capturing component at an initial glance. A larger center gaming system now characteristics 2 cubby openings put alongside the product's shifter, a Wi-Fi charging mat, and a leather twisted armrest. 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback Exterior. The exterior showcases a fully new design language for the 2022 Civic. It looks sporty although with minimalistic design components. Headlamps obtained a completely new look, making use of their bigger and sleeker profile, and the position of DRLs also adjusted. It functions a lower slung stance and a much more encased away from the rear profile. The lower mesh grille will become larger, and the ends can have character facial lines working from the fender to the tail lights. Safety. The rollover thread was found to become 9.5%, which is significantly lower and exhibits its superior dynamic steadiness. Honda assures that the driver assistance features will probably be provided common. Although the list of its characteristics isn't very long, some highlighted features involve lane leaving help, lane continue to keep help, digital steadiness plan. 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback Engine. The 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback concept engine specifications and gridfaction data have not been unveiled by Honda, but the regular 2.0-liter several-tube engine is likely to be carried on in LX and Sport trims, which supply energy productivity of 158 horses and 138 lb-ft of torque. The energy shipped by its 1.5L engine is nearly 22 horses more than its 2.0L motor. Its 2.0L engine now capabilities an automated engine start-cease function, which undoubtedly boosts its economy by 1-2 mpg. A 6-speed handbook transmission continues to be stopped, and the CVT stored as standard for the 2022 model that might truly feel lethargic but financially practical. This motor is not the fastest of the competitors, even so, can cover a quarter mile in 16.3 secs. And yes, it only took the time of 8.2 seconds to run from -60 miles per hour. Fuel economy. Aside from its incredible performance and coping, the Civic Hatchback promises a good fuel economy. For the recent year model, its 1.5-liter turbo 4-container motor received finest in-school MPG reviews of 33 in the area, and 42 on highways, and the credit rating goes to its productive CVT. The 2.0-liter 4-pot motor is a tad significantly less effective. Nevertheless, it is more than rivals just what it delivers, while offering an economy of 30 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on roadways. 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback Price and Relieve Date. The 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback price ranges boost by up to $700 to $800 when compared with the prior model. The Clip LX would be the base tone that is predicted at the cost of $22,000. Accompanied by Sport expected at $23,850, X at $25,200. They will come XL at $26,200, and the cost of leading conclusion cut Touring Clip may go around $29,100. The manufacturing of its upcoming model had been started, but there is no recognized announcement on its release date. But what we should anticipate is, the Civic goes into the car dealerships between spring and summer 2021.